In the Stone Age, our ancestors' brains flooded with dopamine from hunting down a mammoth. Pure survival thrill. But what about today? Dopamine, dopamine, dopamine? What's the real dopamine, and what's the fake stuff? Has dopamine driven humanity's survival and epic progress? Then why has it turned into a double-edged sword, slashing away at our very existence and threatening to wipe us out? Today, I was lounging in the hospital library, chugging my coffee, and diving into this cool article that basically puts our brains under a microscope. Social Media Algorithms and Teen Addiction, Neurophysiological Impact and Ethical Considerations by Debasmita Day and her crew. Right in the middle of jotting down notes, this short YouTube video popped into my head, the one about hidden signs of digital addiction, that straight up said, "These little bursts of joy dump dopamine into your brain, but they're like a blank check with no cash behind it." Let me spin you a funny tale about one simple scroll. Picture this. Your shift's finally over, you flop onto the couch with a steaming cup of tea, and your thumb starts swiping like a robot on autopilot. A hilarious clip, a scandalous headline, a like, a comment. Bam! Spark after spark. The article says these sparks are deliberately made unpredictable, just like a slot machine in a casino whispering, "Maybe this time you'll hit the jackpot." Toss in notifications, 24-hour stories, and endless feeds, and you've got an addictive loop where your brain's yelling, "Whoa, one more!" Their goal? Not to make us happy. Nah, it's all about stealing our attention. The longer you stick around, the more the algorithm learns what tickles your fancy and dumps even more of it on you, like a street vendor who knows your weak spots. One awesome bit in the article was how they nailed dopamine's real job. This guy's less the happy chemical and more like a hype speaker that fires up before the reward hits, giving you that buzz of, hey, something awesome might be coming. That's why these quick triggers glue us to our screens. Those dopamine bursts are fast and focused in the brain, perfect for building habits. But for deep satisfaction? Nah, it's like munching on chips. Tasty, but it doesn't fill you up. Now think about our ancestors, those cave-dwelling hunters whose dopamine kicked in after real hustle, spotting a deer, chasing it down, shooting the arrow, and finally, dinner! Centuries later, scientists like Newton getting bonked by an apple and discovering gravity, athletes snagging medals, or even you finishing your morning workout and feeling like, I crushed it! Dopamine there was like a gold star. Your brain saying, this is good, do it again, because it actually helped with survival, growth, or community. But in the digital age, endless scrolling and personalized content slap on that same chemical stamp without any real win. Our gullible brains can't tell the difference. A signal's a signal. The article warns that if these fake rewards become your daily fix, your drive for actual stuff fizzles out like a dead battery. Why does our brain fall for it so hard? Algorithms are like trained wizards, syncing dopamine hits to your exact tastes. Every click teaches them, aha, they love this. Variable rewards, those occasional wins, are way more addictive than sure things. Just like gambling, where you're always thinking, one more pull. The bursts are short, great for wiring habits, lousy for real meaning. Over time, your pleasure threshold shoots up, and stuff like reading a book or working out starts feeling as bland as plain veggies compared to fast food pizza. I'm not some strict grandma waving a wooden ruler yelling, "You lazy kids today," and I'm definitely no Madame Thénardier out to smack everyone. I get that the world's changed. Now success could be a viral reel that racks up likes. But our brains, evolved over millions of years for survival hacks, are getting outsmarted by these attention-grabbing algorithms. It's like putting an old-school car in a Formula One race. It just won't cut it. So let's swap out the fake dopamine for the real deal. Not ban fun altogether. Here are a few fun practical tips. Instead of 20 minutes scrolling, do 10 minutes of brisk walking. Real dopamine from moving, not likes. Short, deep work sessions, like a 20-minute timer for writing or problem solving, gives you that true win feeling. Real connections, like calling a friend or grabbing coffee, the reward lasts like a long life battery. Small projects that actually wrap up, 'cause your brain loves checking off boxes. And notification hygiene. Batch check 'em instead of constant peeking. Turn the slot machine into a scheduled chore. To wrap it up, scrolling and short videos give you quick dopamine hits, but they're like cheese puffs. Yummy but worthless. The article I read nailed it. Hand the reins to variable rewards, and your deep motivation rusts away. Science says dopamine's more fuel for hunting rewards than happiness. Switch the source to real, and your ancient brain starts working for you again. Not the algorithms. That was my humorous tale today on fake rewards. Hope you cracked a smile and got thinking, folks.